Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to split text into two columns in Word, so very easily you can split it. So firstly need to I will show you in two method or two steps. First step is or first method is need to click on layout and here you see here this column. First you need to select your text, you need to split it, this one. So select it, click on layout, columns, and here you see this 1, 2 or 3 column. So you can select this 2 column. So this is, you see this automatically generate this column. And you need to split 3 column like this. So you can very easily split by here. You see this. This is the first method. Second method is click on insert table and insert 2 by 1 table and click on this first plus box you see here, just right click on it, click on table properties and border and settings, select none, click on ok. So this border will be hide. In my case this is some popular will be there, so this small line will be showing. So this your in your case is hide. Now need to copy your letter like this, copy and paste it by here. Control C to copy and Control V to paste. So this way you can very easily split text into two columns in one. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.